The ground beneath your feet isn't as permanent as you think. It's always changing.
So here's the big question. How does a giant mountain become tiny grains of sand on a beach? You've probably heard terms like erosion and weathering. We tend to mix them up, but they're totally different things.
Okay, everything kicks off with weathering. It's literally just the process of rocks breaking apart. That's it.
The key phrase here is in situ. It's a fancy way of saying it all happens right there, on the spot. So how do rocks break down? Well, nature has three main tools in its belt. Let's check them out.
Physical weathering is like a jackhammer. Think of ice expanding. And biological? That's the power of life itself. Then you've got chemical weathering, which actually rots the rock from the inside out, kind of like rust.
Now, let's zoom out. All of this is part of a much bigger process called denudation.
It's a simple three-step dance. First, weathering breaks it, then erosion takes it, finally, deposition drops it somewhere else. So here's the main takeaway. Weathering is the breaking, erosion is the taking. Simple as that.
Right? So erosion is all about movement. Something has to carry those broken pieces away from home. And what does the carrying? We're talking about powerful forces like water, huge glaciers, wind, and waves.
After that long journey, the material gets dropped. This final step is called deposition. It's where the rebuilding begins.
And this isn't the end. Deposition actually builds new landscapes, creating things like river deltas and vast valleys. So this whole cycle of cracking, carrying, and settling is what sculpts the incredible world we see all around us.
This is happening right now, as we speak. It really makes you wonder, what's our planet going to look like next?